Hi guys, it's Habib here. Is this your first time, as a content creator trying to get yourself a wireless microphone? If this is your first time, I want to unlock some few tips about this lavalier wireless microphone that I found, which a lot of people are not telling or talking about it in their videos. So if you're a beginner YouTuber, or maybe you are a YouTuber who is using a wired microphone, and you are also, trying to get yourself a wireless microphone, watch this video before buy yourself one, because these wireless microphones comes in different. Without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Right guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you'll be here with us, akwaba, as usual. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some few tips that a lot of people are not telling you guys who want to buy yourself a wireless microphone for your content creations. So let's assume you want to buy the microphone on maybe Jumia or any market, e-commerce platform, maybe a local store at your area. If you are going to buy a wireless microphone, some of the wireless microphones comes with only one transmitter. Yes, this is the receiver and this is the transmitter. So let me call it the microphone and let me call this the receiver. So if you are going to buy a lavalier wireless microphone, make sure you go for the one which has two microphones. Two. You can see that because some of them has only one. So let's assume you are someone who creates funny videos, or sometimes you interview people. It's not nice for you to be using the same microphone and also pointing it at others to also speak through that. So when you get two microphones, at least you can hang one here, you can see that, and also use the other, give it to the person you are interviewing. When he plug it here, the conversation will be smooth because the receiver is going to connect everything, and it will also help you in the bringing out the quality of your audio. First tip, if you are going to buy a lavalier wireless microphone, make sure you buy the one that has two, even if it costs not that much on Jumia. So get the one that has two. That's tip number one. Tip number two, I'll leave a small video on the screen also. There is something, sometimes this wireless lavalier microphone, they come with an iPhone pin and also a type C pin. Okay, so if you are using an Android with a type C port, some of these lavalier microphones, with the receiver, there is also a small pin that you can add to it. So you can see this is for an iPhone. Can you see that? This is an iPhone pin. So when they are going to add the other one, that one is going to be type C. So if you have a type C phone and you want to connect this lavalier microphone, you have to get that type C pin, fix it here. Then it will serve as a type C pin, put it in the type C port, then record your video. I don't know whether you are getting me. Are you confused? Just let me know whatever it is in the comment section down below. And for mine, it comes with a type C. This one is for my friend. Mine comes with a type C. Mine currently I've connected it to the mobile phone that I'm using to shoot the video, so I can remove it. If I remove it, you can hear what I'm saying. So mine comes that the receiver, it comes with a type C port, type C pin. So the other one that they've included is a type, an iPhone pin. Meaning, if I'm using an iPhone and I want to shoot a video with a wireless lavalier microphone, I just have to use that type C pin, fix in the iPhone pin, then it will be one with an iPhone pin only. Meaning it's going to cover here. Then you fix it in and record your video. And don't be confused. Sometimes after fixing it in, people will be expecting to see a headphone icon with a microphone. No, with the lavalier wireless microphone, it doesn't come like that unless you are using a wired microphone. When you plug in, then it's going to show the headset icon with a microphone. Whatever it is, guys, let me know if you're enjoying the video. If you are confused, also let me know. So tip number two, after buying a microphone or a wireless lavalier microphone with two microphones inside with a receiver, make sure it has another pin. It should come with two pins. Let me show you this. This is the one I bought. Can you see that? And this is what my friend bought. Let me do it. Okay, can you see it is different? Though it's the same microphones, but two different brands. Okay, this is mine. When you look at here, did I turn it? Yeah, that's it. When you look, let me see. No, okay, it's like this. When you look at here, you can see for Okay, let me do it this way. You can see here for iPhone and it's been ticked, and here for type C it's been ticked, meaning with the receiver it comes with another pin. So if the receiver is an iPhone pin, the other one will be a type C, meaning you can use this microphone for an Android phone with a type C port, and also an iPhone with an iPhone port. I think I got it clear, or you got it clear. But if you look at my friend's lavalier microphone that he bought, look at here. I don't know whether you can see. Let me do it this way. Okay, or is it this way? So if you can see, the top is for type C, it hasn't been taken, and the down is for iPhone. So in his microphone with the receiver, this is his receiver, I'm using it currently. So with the receiver, they did not add another extra pin for the type C, because you can see the only iPhone is been ticked. That's the receiver having an iPhone pin. That's the reason. So it didn't come with another type C pin, so it's only one. To your advantage, maybe you are not using an iPhone, you are using an Android phone with a type C port. Make sure you buy the one which has two pins, iPhone pin and a type C pin. I don't want to waste your time, so I think you got me clear. Make sure you buy two to your own advantage, because maybe you might interview or try to create some funny videos where you involve others. Don't be using the same microphone. Secondly, make sure it comes with two pins, and when you buy it like that, you'll be free. This is a tip that a lot of people are not talking of. Go to Jumia or any store. When buying, open it and make sure when you see the receiver with its pin, meaning the second pin doesn't come with a receiver, but the second pin is also a small thing that you can plug it on the pin, then it will give you another pin. So this is an iPhone pin. When you plug it, it will turn into a type C pin where you can connect it with your Android phone and record your video. I think it's clear now. What do you think? Improve it, right? And how is the audio quality? Then after that, when you pick this microphone, look at behind here. Can you see that button? Make sure you press it harder. When you press it harder, a green light will on, meaning it's working. So you can plug it, but without that, if you speak through, it won't come. And with this, the receiver, there is a last tip. When you plug it on your Android or a type C, an Android or iPhone, there is a small hole here. Make sure you plug it first. When you plug it, check through that hole. If you see a red light, meaning it's activated, and the green light on the microphone, meaning it's working. You are not supposed to see any Android or any headset and microphone icon on your screen for you to be sure that it's working. No, nothing will come, but just speak through. So if you want, just give it a try. Make sure you set your video, connect it, and do everything that I told you, and just start speaking. Do a small video, remove the microphone and play it and see. Compare that sound with the microphone and the receiver connected, and the one without the microphone and receiver connected, and see which one is the best. Guys, I think it's okay for now. It's still your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.